Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options. Today we have OTC currency pairs. You can see that all the currency pairs have been picked out. We got almost $2,000 on the balance, and I'm gonna make $3,000 out of this and to withdraw. Okay, today I'm gonna open $250 position, and what concerns the strategy for today's trading, it's gonna be one of my favorites, the candle channel in combination with the stochastic. But we should configure the stochastic first, set the period 5, the overbought zone will be 70 and the oversold zone will be 30. These settings work well for me and I recommend you to try them as well. Today we'll try to focus on the stochastic behavior and also take into consideration the candle channel. And I think we are gonna succeed as usual. Let's get started. We have to find this currency pair, do this. In order to find the best trade entries, let's analyze the market a little bit. Well, I'm okay with the market situation. I see the potential signals for the future trade entries. Let's open a long position here. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. I'll point out the workspace. We see that the potential reversal takes place and our support zone is really strong here, and previously the price went up in all the cases. Now we see a little flat here and the candles have this long shadow, and I think the price is very likely to go up, and also the stochastics tries to break out and crossing the mark 30 should happen at any second. And as we can see, the breakout is happening right now. The price movement enters the inner channel here, so we could expect that, and I'm sure that the breakout is gonna be completed in the end and our position will be in profits. And yes, our first position ended up with profit. Like you see, the pullback did happen, the support zone played out perfectly and we're in the profits. Let's pick out the next currency pair for the better trade entry. So we could open here. I'm sure that the prices go to the upside. Let's do this. We open our long position and I'll explain the principle of the trade entry. There are 40 seconds left before the closing of the candle. I'm fine with this timing. We don't pay much attention to the stochastic now. However, let's consider the stochastic case. Let's point out this level, the level around 50. And I guess the price got rejected all the time out of this level, and the stochastic seems to be reversing here. The upward trend prevails. We see the dynamics of the price movement. We have these corrections that broke through the inner channel. Next we should point out this level. The price pumped up and then a little pullback took place and the price entered the inner channel. The support zone played out at this level, so that's why we opened the long position. And our position is in the profits again. So this 1 minute time frame, look at this perfect timing of our trade entry, guys. Now the stochastic is going down for the further correction, but we opened correctly. I had noticed that there were 40 seconds left before the candle closing, and I had decided that the trade entry would be most profitable. So, and that's exactly what happened. And let's change the currency pair for the better trade entry. Well, I don't see anything so far. However, we can also open a long here. Let's open on this one. We see this huge correction to the downside. Let's point out the workspace. The stochastic has broken the level 30 and the price should move upwards because the uptrend prevails now and the updating of the local low is happening and the price should go up. I remind you that this is CFTC market and we should pay attention to the stochastic all the time. Moreover, we should play ahead of the market and OTC is really good for this. We see a very strong correction to the downside out of the resistance zone and now the price should move to the upside and the position will be closed in profit, guys. The support zone is playing out right now. We also see the reversal on the stochastic. There are literally 5 seconds before closing. And yes, our position is in a profit. No big deal, guys. Let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's check out what we got at the beginning. I think we can open a long position here. I'll explain the principle of trade entry. We focus on the stochastic here. So, nice trade entry level. We see the upward trend on the chart. We also understand this smooth price movement at this zone and the movement is also repeated here, but with a smaller amplitude. Here we point out the support zone. The price broke out of any channel and after this the price held at one level for a moment and now the price should go to the upside, I guess. Next we see the stochastic is gonna cross the level 30, actually it's already touched, and we see the breakout. There are several seconds left before the closing. And good job, guys, we almost made up to $3,000. So we read the market, brilliant technical analysis, nice trade entry level, 1 minute time frame. That's all we need, guys. We are analyzing the situation perfectly. Our analysis based in the stochastic, the Keaton channel, and basically our position are closed in profits all the time. And let's change the currency pairs for the most profitable trade entry. We see this very strong dump is happening. Let's take a look at the candle behavior. Okay, the stochastic has crossed the 30 line. Let's wait a little bit. I think we open here on this currency pair. And I think now is the best time for opening a long position, guys. We are playing ahead of the market and let's analyze this. Look, we're gonna point out two zones. The first one is zone is here, the price broke this level down, and the second one, the touch of the support zone took place. The price should reverse and start going to the upside. We see very dynamic price movements in the zone, but strong the pump and strong dump right after, but the uptrend prevails now. The updating of the local low did happen and the price should start going to the upside now. We don't take the stochastic seriously now because we are playing ahead of the market on the 1 minute time frame and it's not gonna show us anything, and on the last second and I'm expecting to see the breakout. And yes, our position has been closed with a profit. We got $2,800 on our balance. We played out ahead of the market. The doji pattern has formed here, the support zone played out and the price broke this level down, and probably the price is gonna go lower, go to the upside following the trend direction. But because of the opening on a 1 minute time frame, we actually succeed here and the position was closed in profit. That's why I like trading on a 1 minute time frame, and the strategy helps me a lot, guys, so I recommend to try it out yourself. And let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's check out the other currency pairs. So the inner channel price movement is happening here, but actually I have no idea where the trend is gonna buy now. Now the flat prevails, and let's open a short position here. I'll explain the principle to you. Beyond the achievements, guys, so look, the price broke out of the inner channel. First of all, we should look at the slow volatility of the new candle. We understand the dynamics of the price direction. The breakout did happen here, the resistance zone played out here, and I'm sure the price is gonna reverse and start moving to the downside. Don't you see, guys? So let's point out the zone, then this zone high, and now in theory this zone a little more high, and the price should go to the downside. The stochastic also touched the level 70, and we see the reversal. There is no more strong movement here, that's why we opened our short position, and like you see, the price starts going down, nice trade entry level, and there is literally a second left before the closing, and our position is in a profit, guys. We got $3,000 on our balance, we got $1,400 in profits. I think this is a great outcome. That's exactly what I tried to reach today. Nice trading session on the weekend, guys. You see, it took us several minutes to make $1,400 on OTC, guys. As you see, my strategy in combination with my technical analysis works out perfectly. Okay, guys, let's withdraw our money. Okay, I think I'll withdraw $3,000 to my Bitcoin wallet. Press continue button. Okay, our transaction has been processed. I will take the screen while it's done as usual. There is 100 bucks left on the balance. I think I can multiply this in the next time. And so guys, thanks for watching. Good luck on trading. Bye bye.